Okay, in this video we are going to convert molecules of a compound into grams. Let's go ahead and start off with the first number that they give us, which is 7.4 times 10 to the 23rd. We'll put the units molecules of silver nitrate, AgNO3. Alright, so let's set up our fence post problem. Go over here. So the unit I ultimately want to end up with are grams. Right now I have molecules of AgNO3, which is silver nitrate. So in order to cancel out molecules of AgNO3, I need to put it on the bottom. So I'm going to say MOLEC. I'm going to use this for an abbreviation for molecules of silver nitrate. Molecules of silver nitrate. And to connect grams with molecules, I'm going to go through the mole. The mole, remember, is pretty much going to be your bridge for connecting all of these units together. So 1 mole of AgNO3. So if you recall, a mole is Avogadro's number, so it's that really big number, which is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. So there's 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of silver nitrate in 1 mole of silver nitrate. So we'll go ahead and do this, see what cancels. So molecules cancels with molecules. I'm left with moles, which is not what I want. I want to go to grams, so I need to do one more step. So in order to cancel out moles on the top here, I need to put moles of AgNO3 on the bottom. So I'll say 1 mole here. And 1 mole of AgO3, I need the grams. Well, in order to do this, you need the molar mass of AgNO3. So because this is a compound, it's got 3 different elements in it. I have silver, and I have a nitrogen, and I have an oxygen. However, I've got 3 oxygens in this compound. So the molar mass for silver is 107.87. So let's say 107.87. Molar mass of nitrogen is 14.01, and these numbers come from the periodic table. So these are the mass numbers for this particular element. So it's the number on the bottom, should be right under the symbol. And oxygen has a molar mass of 16, but there are 3 of them, so we're going to multiply the 16 by 3 to get a number. So 16 times 3 is 48. So we'll say 48. So we're going to take 48, we're going to add it to 14.01 and add it to 107.87. So when we take all 3 of these numbers and add them up, so let's say, 48 plus 14.01 plus 107.87, so we get 169.88. And the units on this is grams per mole. And here we've got our 1 mole, so this number just goes up here. So it's 169.88. So now moles will cancel with moles, and I'm left with grams of AgNO3, which is what I want. So now I'm just going to take this number, the 7.4 times 10 to the 23rd, multiply by the molar mass, and then divide it by Avogadro's number on the bottom. So we'll say 7.4 times 10 to the 23rd, multiplied by 169.88. And we're going to divide that by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, and your answer is 208. Let's go 1 decimal place, and we'll say 0.8. And the unit on this is grams of AgNO3.